You don't know, you know. I'm a lady at the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're diving into one of Jamaica's best kept secrets, breadfruit. This versatile, nutrient-packed superfood is not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whether roasted, fried, or boiled, breadfruit is taking the health world by storm. Let's explore why this humble fruit is a superfood you need in your diet. There are many ways to prepare breadfruit, but the most popular ways are to roast it, to boil it, and to fry it. The breadfruit can be roasted on top of the stove. It could be done in the oven. It can be done on a coal pot, and it can be done outdoors on a wooden fire. Persons do it using whatever resources they have. Guys, go ahead and check out the earlier video that I did about the Jamaican breadfruit in Florida. In today's world, food insecurity is a growing challenge, with many communities struggling to access nutritious and affordable meals. The rising cost of living and unpredictable climate changes make it harder to rely on traditional food sources. And this is why finding sustainable, resilient crops like breadfruit is very crucial. Breadfruit is not only rich in nutrients, but also grows in abundance. Almost every yard in Jamaica has a breadfruit tree. And this is what I mentioned in an earlier video, which I will pin in the description. Almost every yard in Jamaica has a breadfruit tree, which makes it an affordable and sustainable option to help combat hunger and ensure food security for future generations. By embracing crops like breadfruit, we can build a more resilient and healthy food system. A popular way to eat the breadfruit is with ackee and saltfish. But persons still eat breadfruit with whatever protein that is readily available. Okay.
I got the breadfruit right here, see?
Okay.
Now this is baked in the oven. So what I'm gonna do, basically, so this is the breadfruit that I was baking it in the oven first, and then I burned it on the fire to make sure it's properly baked. Okay, so I'm gonna get off the skin as much as possible. And it's really hot, so.
That breadfruit really looks good.
Oh yeah, they call it a maca breadfruit because it has a rough skin like.
Yeah.
It's one of the better bread of them. Maca breadfruit.
And I see you're doing it a very innovative way with the leaf.
Oh yeah, the leaves. This you can use any broad leaves that you have on your farm. This happens to be almond leaves, or sometimes I use noni leaves.
From the almond tree?
Yeah, sometimes I use noni leaves because they're available and so they take the heat off your hands.
Yes.
So this breadfruit is hot. You see the steam coming out of it?
Yes.
It will burn you. So not only it prevents you from getting burned, it prevent the breadfruit from being all dirty by the time you get ready to eat it.
Yes.
You know, so that's what I do.
Yes. Guys, I'm smelling the aroma and it smells so good.
Yes.
So good.
Yeah, so if you don't have these leaves, see, you can just flip them over and peel the other side. You gotta hurry up though, because this breadfruit is on fire.
Yes. This one is on fire. Okay.
Okay, yeah, so.
And okay, you're removing the stem.
Now some people pick the stems off before it's even roasted, but I find that the stem, you can even hold the stem sometime and turn it on the fire.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I count it all joy.
Yes.
So yeah, this I'm gonna split this up and then put it on the plate.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So that's how we do it.
This is how we do it.
That's how we do it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna slice up some of these on your plate. So let me get some plates.
Okay. Guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you found it to be at least informative. Thanks for checking it out. I hope you will check out the other one that is pinned in the description. Until next time, guys. Ciao.